We're going with a navy blue, turquoise and salmon pink scarf. We're going to do something quite simple with this. Roll it. Put it around the neck. And just a simple tie, which we then just take up so that it's crossed over. We can drape that one side, pull this up and over. So this is kind of a scarf cape effect, and just pull these lovely edges forward. Wow, you look super like that. So to finish this look off, if you take this side, tuck it under, and take this side and tuck it under. You can actually close the back up if you want to, or if you want to show a bit of the back, just take it either side and roll it. So there's a bit of interest from behind. If you want to turn for me. We've chosen a really pretty orange with a lemon and grey edging for this one. And we're going to get the centre point. Take it around, and then we are going to twist. So just turn so you can see this spinning. And can you see it's starting to twist now? Take this around the neck. If it goes too far, then I'm just showing you what can happen. Unwind slightly, let that drop. And so what you have is something very simple at the front, and then this twist. Just continue to twist here, and then tuck that up and under. Let that fall. And again, you can either, depending on your personality, have that falling and make that a feature, or you can just tuck this under the original part, take it at the back. Tuck that under at the back. And I prefer to have this tucked and showing, because you can see how much more of the colour you can see when you fan that out. And just secure it there. With any of these looks, they can look quite natural like this, or if you've got a brooch that you want to put to completely secure it, if it is very wet and rainy out today, and then just have this falling on the skin. Beautiful. Continuing with the theme of twisting, we've picked a pink and beautiful azure blue, and just gather up where the centre point is. Put that around the neck, and then if you start twisting this side, so you can see this is twisting beautifully, and just hold that for me, and then go in the other direction with this one. So it's a bit snake-like, and then we take this around. You see how the contrast of the pattern works lovely with this one, and twist that back around again. So this is almost like a necklace look. I'm going to pull this end out so that we can see this beautiful turquoise, and then I'm just going to tuck this through and out the other side. Each time remembering that you can either tuck these under and hide them, the tassels, or you can make a feature of them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you will get notifications when the new videos are out, each of them addressing a problem that I know you're going to be having in your wardrobe, and so you will love it. Enjoy.